Nature doesn't play games. Here are 7 times the planet nearly erased us. Number 1. The Toba supervolcano. 74,000 years ago, it triggered a volcanic winter. Humanity nearly vanished. Number 2. The Black Death. In 1347, the plague killed up to 60% of Europe. Number 3. The Ice Age. 20,000 years ago, glaciers dominated. Only the most adaptable survived. Number 4. The Spanish flu. In 1918, it infected a third of the world. 50 million died. Number 5. Mount Tambora. In 1815, its eruption caused the year without a summer. Crops failed worldwide. Number 6. The solar storm of 1859. The Carrington event. If it hit today, we'd lose satellites, power, and communication. Number 7. The Chicxulub impact. 66 million years ago, it wiped out the dinosaurs. If it hit later, we might not exist. We've dodged extinction more than once. The question is, will we dodge the next one?